Okay, so let's do question number 1. Mr. Balaji, employed as production manager in Beta Limited, furnishes you the following information for the year ended 31st of March 2018. First, basic salary up to 31st 10 or 31st of October 2017, rupees 50,000 per month. Basic salary from 1st of November 2017, rupees 60,000 per month. Note, salary is due and paid on the last day of every month. Second, DNS allowance at the rate of 40% of the basic salary. Third, bonus equal to 1 month salary paid in October 2017 on basic salary plus DNS allowance applicable for that month. Fourth, contribution of employer to recognized provident fund account of the employee at the rate of 16% of the basic salary. Fifth, professional tax paid rupees 3,000, of which 2,000 was paid by the employer. Sixth, facility of laptop and computer was provided to Balaji for both official and personal use. Cost of the laptop rupees 45,000 and computer rupees 35,000 were acquired by the company on 1st of December 2017. Seventh, motor car owned by the employer, cubic capacity of the engine exceeds 1.60 liters, provided to the employee from 1st of November 2017, meant for both official and personal use. Repair and running expenses of rupees 45,000 from 1st of November 2017 to 31st of March 2018 were fully met by the employer. The motor car was self-driven by the employee. 8th, leave travel concession given to employee, his wife and 3 children, 1 daughter aged 7 and twin sons aged 3. Cost of the air tickets, economy class, reimbursed by the employer, rupees 30,000 for adults and rupees 45,000 for 3 children. Balaji is eligible for availing exemption this year to the extent it is permissible in law. Compute the salary income chargeable to tax in the hands of Mr. Balaji for the assessment year 2018-19. So now let's solve the question. We will do the computation of taxable salary of Mr. Balaji for the assessment year 2018-19. Now he was paid a basic salary of rupees 50,000 from April to October at the rate of 50,000 and from November to March at the rate of 60,000. So the salary for the year would come to 6,50,000. He was also paid a DNS allowance. It was 40% of the basic salary, so that will come to rupees 2,60,000. He was also paid a bonus, a 1 month equivalent to 1 month salary, which was paid in the month of October based on that month's salary. So the bonus for the year would be 50,000 plus 40% of rupees 50,000, so it will come to 70,000. Now the employer contributed 16% towards the recognized provident fund. So the employer contribution to the recognized provident fund in excess of 12% of the salary, which is 4% of rupees 6,50,000, which means 26,000 will be taxable in the hands of Mr. Balaji. Now, professional tax paid by the employer. It will be treated as a perquisite since it was an obligation of Mr. Balaji. So 2,000 was paid by the employer, which will be taken as a perquisite. Now, he was also provided a car, so a motor car owned by the employer. A cubic capacity of engine 1.6 liters was provided to Mr. Balaji from 1st of November 2017 and it was meant for both official and personal purpose. So in this case, since the car was provided without a chauffeur, both for personal as well as office use, the value of perquisite shall be rupees 2,400 per month. So that comes to 12,000. From 1st of November to 31st of March 2018, so that will be 2,400 multiplied by 5, it will come to 12,000. Now the total gross salary would be 10,20,000. Now he will be allowed a deduction under section 16 for the professional tax, which was rupees 3,000. So the total taxable salary will then be 10,23,000. Now here we have assumed that the dearness allowance does not form part of the salary for computing the retirement benefits. So there are some more further notes which we should keep. More things here that he questioned that he was given a laptop and a computer. Now that is an exempt because it was used for both office and personal use. So they are exempt under Rule 3. Now the leave travel concession of rupees 75,000 is also exempt under section 10(5) since the same was availed for himself, his wife and 3 children and the journey was undertaken by economy class. Now here we must note that the restriction imposed for 2 children is not applicable in the case of multiple births which takes place after the first child.